Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use multi-pocket. Multi-pocket is very important in CATIA command. Okay. Today CATIA lecture 22 is discussed here, and CATIA all 3D commands learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay. Today CATIA lecture 22 is discussed here, and very important point is a multi-pocket point. Okay, multi-pocket command discuss here. At first open a CATIA software and okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and this point 3 point is a not active, but some drawing a sketch and then active. Okay, this XY plane sketch, and some sketch is a rectangle, and exit any pocket is a 30, 40 is okay, 40. Okay, and this face is some, and some again this is not active. This all point is active but not work. Some face is design, some is a sketch is drawing. First is rectangle, second is circle, and third is ellipse. Okay, this is a ellipse, this is a okay. Okay, sketch. Okay, but this point is very important. At first select a pocket and multi-pocket. Pocket means select a pocket, then select a all 3 point is together select. But multi-pocket is use select a separate body, separate one by one select this. Okay, this is a 3 point is used first, second and third. This is a separate point and separate use. Okay, this is a this body, and this is a this a small, and this is a this is a this is a this. Okay, height is different, but pocket is height is same and together is drawing, but multi pocket is separate and height is different. Any okay, and okay, this is a preview is showing here, and this body. Okay, this is a okay, not this is a cut here, this is a cut here, and this is a cut here. This body is a rotate this body and select a this is a full, this body is a okay, and this body is this is okay. Again this multi pocket is used. Okay, and select a this line is a okay. First this line is a select this line is select this, and again this select this body is drag here. Okay, select preview is showing here. Okay, this is a pocket, separate and different size and different height. Okay, Okay, and this is a okay, this is a colorful, this part is a, oh sorry, undo, this part is a colorful property, color is a pink color, and this 3 body is a okay, not color change, this is a better, and this body is a okay, this is a multi pocket is used, and this is a very important point is discussed here. Okay, this point is used, and this point is used, this point more, and this is a reverse direction, and okay, this body is okay, some change this is a, and this, and okay, this is a preview and showing okay, then change, okay, size is change, and again drawing here, and this is a dimension is surface, first is a okay, dimension is 40 full size, then you can see here this is a full size, okay, and again this body, this dimension is a second is 20 40, and this is a okay, undo, okay, okay, this is a use separate, and this body is a drag here, and this body is also drag here, okay, preview is showing this is a okay, and this is a okay, 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 okay guys, multi pocket is use, multi pocket is very important, and multi pocket is learn, and today multi pocket is complete here, and CATIA lecture 23 is coming soon, and one by one lecture is coming soon, and okay guys, get at first more and more new videos coming soon. At first you see, please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.